Hi there! In this video, I'll walk you through how to use a tool called Animaker to create animated videos, even if you've never done it before. Let's dive in. Animaker is an online platform that lets you create animated videos easily. It's drag and drop, so you don't need any fancy skills or software. Think of it like making a PowerPoint, but way more fun and animated. As technical and vocational teachers, we often explain practical or technical concepts. Animated videos can help bring those ideas to life by showing how a machine works, safety protocols, or step-by-step procedures. Plus, it's a great way to engage students who learn better visually. First, open your browser and go to www.animaker.com. Animaker works completely online, so you don't need to download anything. To use Animaker, you'll need an account. Click Sign Up, and you can register using your Google, Microsoft, or email account. For teachers, I recommend signing up with your school email so you can easily manage your projects. Animaker has a free version with basic features and a pro version with extra templates, characters, and exports. The free version is perfect for getting started. After the initial sign up or sign in to your Animaker, this is where you will land. Now, I have signed up for the free version of Animaker, and you can see these are all of the different tools that we are getting. So at the top, you'll be able to find the Create option that will obviously allow us to create new videos, generate subtitles, generate voiceovers, and animated slides. Then on the left pane, we have Templates, Projects, where I can check my previous projects that I have created, Shared with Me, different shared projects will be shown here, My Exports, Brand Kit, and then we also have a team that we can create, and tutorials. Now, Animaker gives you two choices. Use a template, which is like a ready-made video you can customize, or start from scratch. For this walkthrough, I'll start from scratch so you can see the full process. Let us create a sample project based on 5 kitchen safety tips, an animated video to teach students basic kitchen safety rules in a fun visual way using animation. Click on Create from Scratch. From the pop-up window, you can specify your animation type, whether cartoon or whiteboard, and choose the dimensions according to your preference. This is the Animaker editor. Let me walk you through the layout. On the left, you have your library, characters, props, text, backgrounds, etc. The center is your stage, where your animation plays. At the bottom, you'll see your timeline, where you manage scenes, voiceovers, and animations. On the right, you have the options to add more scenes. Let's start by customizing each scene. By default, we have Scene 1 selected, with a duration of 10 seconds. Now in this scene, I want an animated teacher character to enter the scene and say a few words. So let's get our character. On the left pane, the character icon is already selected. You pick one you like. You can search by style or mood. Click the character and it'll appear on your scene. You can resize or drag it anywhere on the stage. Now you can animate the character. Let's apply some basic animation. Let's say we set the character to enter from the left, and then let's set the action to talking. Adding animations brings your character to life. Each action plays for a few seconds, and you can add more later. Next, let's add a relevant background. On the left pane, click Background and search for a background. Let's search for a kitchen background. You can also customize the timing of the individual scenes. On the bottom left, click on Scene Timeline and increase or decrease the timer accordingly. Next, let's add some text to the scene. Click on Text on the left pane, select a relevant text type, and type in your text. You can also apply formatting to your text. You can also add a voiceover in your scene to make it look more appealing. Locate the microphone icon above the timeline, click on it, and choose either to record voiceover, text-to-speech, or upload voiceover if you already have a recorded clip. Let's choose text-to-speech and type in our script. Then, you can customize the category, language, gender, and voice for your voiceover. Once you are happy with your selection, click on Generate Audio. When the voiceover is generated, you will need to click on Add to Timeline. At the bottom, your timeline shows every element in your scene. You can control when things appear, how long they stay, and when they animate. Click and drag the bars to line everything up. Once you're done, click Preview to watch your animation. continue your story, click Add Scene. Each scene works like a new slide. You can copy the previous one or start fresh. I will go ahead and add 2 more scenes using the same features. You can also customize the scene transitions. Once you're done, click Preview to watch your animation. If everything looks good, click Publish and choose Download or Export to YouTube. You can share the downloaded video with your students or share the YouTube link. And that's it! Now you know the basics of Animaker and how to create your own animated videos, whether it's for explaining a topic, telling a story, or just adding something fun to your teaching toolkit. Try it out with your next lesson idea and watch your content come to life.